First truck on the road. That's it. Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what we got going on today. Gonna do some well-needed upgrades on Uncle Jesse. I've been putting off for a while. It's on the interior. This thing, I had to replace. Other video you may have watched, told you I replaced floorboards, floor pans, and body mounts when I done this truck, and I've never put anything on the floor. Been riding around with just a rubber floor mat deal that goes across the transmission hump, and I never put any sound deadening mat or carpet or nothing permanent in there yet. So I think it's time. I bought some stuff off eBay, cheap stuff just to try, and if I like it I'll buy some more to do long bed Fred, but I bought just enough to do the floorboard section, not enough to do underneath the seat. We're just going to do this front section first, but I bought cheapest stuff I can find. Just got some black carpet and this fat mat, 50 mil sticky back full insulation stuff. I've used other brands on Old Blue in there. It worked pretty good. It's a little bit thicker, I believe, what I bought. It's not the thickest stuff. Anyway, this is like the thinnest, I believe. But I've got the door seals, trim taken out, cleaned the floorboards out, and I've got the dimmer switch pulled out. So I'll wipe that down real quick, get the rest of the dust residue out of it, and I'm going to cut that sound deadening mat, put it down in there. We'll see what kind of difference it makes in this thing. This thing pretty noisy inside and all that jive. So anyway, I'm gonna get to it, and I'll show you my progress on that here in a few minutes. Yeah, got it in the best of my ability, what I can do right now. Not feeling real well. Anyway, I need a lot more of this, but this just for testing purposes. I can always pull the carpet back up once we get it in. So now it's covered most of the driver and passenger floorboard. I'd really like to do the transmission hump too, but we ran out. Let me wrestle this carpet in here and see how it lays down, and trim and all that good stuff. Find a good spot to put you guys for a time lapse, maybe. Anyway, hang out here for a second. Well, that ain't too bad. Well, I haven't done anything yet, but just laying it down in there. This cheap stuff, already a million times better. I think what I'm going to do is put my seal plate here on the side, the driver's side, get it down where it'll pinch that carpet in there. Sorry, I can get up here. Pinch that carpet down in there and work my way over so it'll hold it, work my way over to the passenger side so I can get the skizzers out and trim it up. But that stuff lays down pretty good. It's not real thick and stiff, and I've had it out here in the sun too. So let me get to putting this trim back in there and get my impact screws and whatnot, and we'll go from there. Well, there's carpet on the floor. There it is. Is it perfect? No. Can it lay down a little bit better than what it is? Yep. Is it going to bother me? Not so much right now. It'll be good enough for this guy. I got to finish putting in the dimmer switch. Should I put it underneath the carpet? Yep. Am I going to? Probably not. I'm gonna mount it right here because I probably end up having to take it back out one day to finish finalizing the insulation and whatnot. But I'm going to try to find my holes if this camera will cooperate. Find the hole. Should sit right in here somewhere. Take a little ice pick. I could probably go underneath. It's probably what I'm gonna have to do. Poke through from underneath here. Anyway, I'm using a new mic system. You can see I got the dangly thing here. This camera's done pretty good, but sometimes when you walk away or face the other direction, you kind of lose a little audio, and it's annoying to me watching a video, and I do that to myself. So anyway, let me get underneath here and find these holes and finalize this, and we'll take it for a little test spin. I went ahead and cut a hole in the carpet, mounted the dimmer switch through it, hides it, does good. Put the old floor mat back down in it just to help preserve the carpet and hold it down. And I'm going to vacuum. Man, it looks a lot better already, just having that black carpet in there. I'm going to vacuum this seat out. Ranger gets in here and gets all kinds of his filth and dirt in there. Then we're going to take her for a little test drive. Wrap this up real quick. First impression, it's just carpet and a little sound deadening material, but first impression, I already like it. I could tell a difference just pulling out of the driveway, getting in the truck. And just the looks of it, instead of having that white, dirty floor, not the bare metal, but the bare floor showing, it just makes that a little bit more comfort in this truck driving it. That's all I was after. I think the next thing planned on this is getting the door seals. Oh, hold on. Hand on the wheel. It's putting the door seals in it. I put the window and wing window seals in it last year. Made a big difference. But putting the seals in the doors to the cab, I think will kind of finalize the interior on this, make it a lot nicer, make it a lot more comfortable to drive. But this time of year, it doesn't really matter because you got the windows down, the door seals, you ain't gonna make a difference. But whenever it gets cooler out and you got the windows up, I got a whistling on both sides. Some of it is the wing window, but most of it is the door seals because they're original and collapsed. But I think we're going to end this short video here. We're going to finish our little test drive and go back home. Get some wind in Ranger's face. He always loves going for a ride. All right, I appreciate it, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Oh, and by the way, I did sell the boat. Jesse's got his own stall in the barn now, so good deal. Stays out of the weather. He's earned it.